I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on a Craftsman YS4500. This Craftsman has a 22 horsepower Briggs and Stratton. I'm going to start by removing these 4 wing nuts, which I've already pre-loosened. Just give these guys a few turns. I'm going to pop this cover off, set that aside, and here's the air filter. Just remove the old air filter, and there will be a pre-filter, or there should be, underneath that. Set that aside. I have the new filter, pre-filter. That'll go in first, and then the new air filter just sets in, and then make sure that this part goes in nice. Then we're going to pop the cover back on here. Just line it up back there. Kind of push down. And get your wing nuts started. Tighten them all up, and you're all done.